Let's learn how to convert $1 into $8 every couple minutes. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. You up for that? See, I'm always on the hunt for the fastest, most deadly internet income hacks to deliver to my students, just like you. And this is the winner by far. The camera started rolling and I began my case study. And doing this very simple trick, $15 payments, $94 payments, $7 payments, $22 payments, $36 payments, $31 payments, every couple minutes. So if I could turn $7 into $94 easily, then I can add a few zeros. It'll turn into $940 and then $9,400. And then by the end of the year, I'll have $120,000 just from this one store. I mean, heck, I've done $290,990 just from eBay alone. What am I talking about? But I'm talking just from this method. We're talking just 15 minutes to set up, activate, and boom, results. And then just duplicate what you did the first time and let it run. All I have to do after that is follow up. It takes about 20 minutes. Now my student, I call him Whiz Kid Matthew Sabia. Check out his YouTube channel. He's ripping it up with Shopify. Does even better than I do.
All right, guys, so we're going to show you the methods that was able to get this $83,000 year. Guys, this is no like fake screenshots like a lot of the other gurus show. I could scroll in here, I can go through the dates. Our students are seeing these crazy results, like this right here, $360 in their first day using the training. This one right here, $735 in a day. This is all completely super easy, guys, while you're sleeping, eating, spending time with family. We have some other crazy results like $575 in one day. Only with these couple of sales you guys can see on the bottom. It doesn't even take that many sales to get that kind of income. That's another thing we want you guys to realize. $570 in a day. Another student with $2,800 in free complete profit in their first month using the training. We go here, another little like $150 a day, easy sales, easy flips just like that. $50 in their first day using the bank ramp training. Again, right here, $270 in one day with, I think, yeah, that's only 3 sales. Guys, we're talking $215 sales. $615 in the student's first week using our training.
I, Jamie Lewis, am so happy that you're watching this video right now. As I know, statistically speaking, you've probably been ripping your hair out with all of the programs and systems, training and learning. Forget learning. This one doesn't require you to learn much at all. This method is almost comedic how simple it is. Like you'll never have to buy any more make money online systems ever again. It's like that. I'm telling you, you can scale this. $31 payments, $63 payments, $21 payments. They come in like crazy. My first try out of the gate, I kept it going. And the best part, during the setup of this system, there were some pretty strenuous tasks that I had to take on. So the good news, you will never have to take on those tasks ever again because I already did them all. All you have to do is rinse and repeat. If this sounds similar to the latest and greatest business opportunity that you invested in, we need to talk, as this is almost a fundamental necessity that you need in your online arsenal. The most simplest, direct method for anyone to make an income online. You will say, of course that will work for me. That's what I said when I teach you the method. And in this very video, I am going to reveal the actual instruction and the specific item you will need. Specifics, the detail. I'm not going to beat around the bush and generally talk about it. I'll even guarantee this right now, because I can with this one. There is no way in God's green earth that you will fail with this, or my name ain't Jamie Lewis, the CEO and founder of BankRamp. By the end of this video, you are going to be selling like your account is a machine gun and your sales are bullets whizzing through the air with rapid frequency. So you want to make $10,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 as a power seller? Then do not leave this page. Do not go anywhere. Give this quick video a few minutes of your time, and I'm going to show you how myself and my students have recently began to use BankRamp to make more money than we ever thought possible. A guy was begging for change on the street. I stopped to give him what change I had in my pocket, and furthermore, I took about 60 seconds to explain this method. He could literally take my change I had in my pocket, spend it on using a computer at a local internet cafe. And let me just say right now, you heard the phrase double your money, right? I mean, people get rich from doubling their money. But we're talking about 8 timesing your money. Not doubling, but octupling your money 8 times. And doing it independently from employment, affiliate programs, and having to get lucky. Forget about that. This is the necessary leverage that you need to pay off all your debts. You'll never again have to make calls to the bank, call insurance companies, or spend time talking to bill collectors to put you on a payment plan, right? One of my core philosophies is for you to be able to pay off that debt. Get your credit perfect so you can leverage it. So baby steps. The first thing you need to do is just one simple thing to get started. And then, like a waterfall, BankRamp is a business model that is so simple and powerful that it will enable you to leverage the power of the internet to set you free. Financially free as a bird as it works for you. See, I make all this money first, no waiting for paychecks or having to do the work up front. And now it's your turn. BankRamp is about to be yours as you are on the right page. And if you're still listening to these truths, you might be the right fit for this. You might be the right candidate for this powerful 8-timeser. So let me explain the internals. As I was explaining before, I'm always on the hunt for monetization techniques, especially for my family and friends. As myself, a professional marketer who's been around for almost 2 decades now, people trust me to bring only the most effective money-making strategies and tools, and that's what I do. They rely on me to make the big money right in front of their eyes with limited resources, to be the guinea pig, so to speak, being given only an iPhone and Wi-Fi, or in the harshest conditions, or without websites with affiliates and traffic. And I perform and educate millions. So a lot has changed since I got started. And here we are in 2019. I needed something that would work for people with limited financial resources, immediate needs for cash and ongoing income, lack of internet service, and limited time to learn. And so under these conditions, I got to work. And after multiple case studies in my studio and on my webinars with alumni, BankRamp was born. Now I always do it myself first and get results first. Begin to scale the income, and only then do I introduce it to my students. I don't teach theory or concept that hasn't proven to work for me first. And I'll tell you what, I got addicted to this method. I saw hundreds of dollars paid to me while I was sitting on my behind eating potato chips. You've probably been to the dollar store before. I'm actually going to one right now. So here it is. Here's what a dollar store looks like. Driving up in the Ferrari. All right, here we are at the dollar store. And we're going to do some case studies in the BankRamp members area. You are going to have your hands on my actual trip inside the dollar store, where we purchase some stuff and then we make some money from it. Now, what if you were to walk into that dollar store tomorrow, purchase an item for about, you guessed it, $1, and then I give you a template that'll sell that very item for as much as $100? I told you this was powerful. But look, that's not it. There's more. Look, I'll say it again. I'm not good at any type of sports. I'm not good at cooking or cleaning. But with this, I am a genius. I'm super creative, and I activated that part of my brain. And I created incredible templates for eBay. Yep, this is a very, very clever arbitrage tactic, and probably the easiest and most simplest one I've ever done or provided to my students. I've been bringing in payments with this all week, all day, all month, all year. Now, you're probably familiar with eBay, right? You know, the website that brought in over 10 billion last year. Well, all I can say is grab your piece of that 10 billion and jump in. Everything you need is included in BankRamp. The BankRamp system and collection is easily activated by you fast tonight. And look, if you can, it would be great if you wrote me a testimonial after this works for you. That's right. And if you could do a video thank you, that would be even better. I live for testimonials. But if not, it's okay. Just enjoy the system, enjoy making money with it. So look, what I'm going to propose is that you try out BankRamp risk-free for 60 days and see how this has been put together in such an economical way that even a 7th grader with ADD couldn't mess this up. There are truly limited moving parts, unlike a lot of the other programs that you see out there, right? All those other ones do is bring confusion and disappointment. We'll get you started with a quick orientation video, similar to like when you go for a new job. And then you can populate your eBay account with gold mines and experience these rare instances. These rare instances that I did the work, setting them up for you so that you could reap the profits. After super concentrative testing and optimization, this cannot fail you. Duplicate the listings and income continues 24/7. Yes, this is the same system that everyone is talking about and wanting to get their hands on. But the time is now. All you have to do is open up an eBay account and a PayPal account to handle the direct deposits. And the only perceptive negative thing that you'll have to worry about is paying more taxes. But that's about it. I'm really glad that I was able to get you in. This is just too good to keep under wraps. After running this system and business model for a good amount of time, it was truly an endorphin charging situation to see it work for so many of my family members and friends. And I'm looking even more forward to seeing people like you turn their lives around too. We're talking about making thousands of dollars from your bedroom. While you sleep, while you eat, while you take out the trash, while you do the dishes, money just keeps coming. Internet sales galore, easy and fast. No technology expertise needed. So look, below this video, you'll see a sign up where you can get in through our retailer, clickbank.com. You just pay a small one-time fee to our retailer, and you'll have full, immediate, lifetime access to the BankRamp VIP members area. You might have heard of ClickBank. They're very similar to eBay or Amazon or Alibaba or whatnot. They have a whole bunch of products on there. Ours is one of them. The thing about ClickBank is they always have to look inside of my business and make sure that everything I'm telling you is legit. They watch this video and make sure it's approved and it's legit and all the numbers I'm mentioning are verified. And they also do an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. They do this 60-day guarantee for all the products on their network. So you'll have 60 days to try out BankRamp and see if it's the right fit for you. So jump into BankRamp, activate the system, and if you don't see profits, you can press that refund button and get your money back immediately. So what are you waiting for? Don't hesitate. This is your life. This opportunity is here now, right in front of your eyes, but soon it may be gone forever. You'll know you forget the domain name, even though it's a very simple 2-syllable word. But that's okay. I do too. I have a very short attention span as well. But the key here is grab a hold of this life-changing opportunity while you still can. Don't gamble with the opportunity to commence a 6-figure online business for the same amount of money that you'd spend at a night at the movies. It's only an entrance fee for me to pay the distributors and the retailer. It's fast, simple, and easy to join, and then I'll see you in the members area. And I'm also going to give you a complimentary session where I am on there personally, and I'll be able to guide you. So you're also getting coaching with me, not an outsourced coach in a cubicle somewhere in an office building. And that's my bonus. That's my present from me to you. You're also going to get that one-on-one coaching along with your membership. You're going to get a free complimentary coaching. I'm looking forward to initiating your new powerful BankRamp online business. My name is Jamie Lewis, and I approve this message.